Bracketing button. Enables exposure bracketing, allowing the camera to take multiple shots at different exposure levels, useful to HDR photography. Number 4. Infrared receiver front. Detect signals from remote controls, allowing to promote shutter release or camera adjustment without physical contact. Next, number 5. Mounting mark. Indicates the correct alignment point for mounting the camera onto a tripod or other accessories. Then number 6, built-in microphone. Captures audio during video recording, enabling sound to accompany video footage.
Okay. Number 11. Focus and selector ay control mechanism to adjust focus or navigate touch camera minus and setting. Number 12. Meter coupling lever. Engage the camera's metering system, helping to determine the correct exposure setting based on light condition. 13.
Yan, okay dyan.
Number 13, mirror, allowing for the optical viewing of the scene. Number 14, USB connector, enables the data transfer to one computer or charging on the camera's battery. Number 15, the AV connector, provides a connection to the audio video output to external device like TV or monitors. Number 16, HMDI mini connector, allows direct connection to the HD displays for playback of photos and videos. Number 17, accessory terminal, supports additional accessories like external flashes or remote triggers for enhanced functionality. Number 18, connector for external microscope, allows for the attachment of higher quality external microphones for improved audio capture and video recordings.